Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another Foxtecc video, and in this one I'm gonna guide you through the process of permanently deleting apps from your iCloud account. Now, it is crucial to manage the way how it works with the iCloud, and yeah, you need to know how it works, so let's get started. At first, we need to remove the app from your iCloud backup. To do this, open your settings app and tap on your name at the top. This will take you to your Apple ID settings, and from there you can navigate to the iCloud settings. Once you're in the iCloud, you look for the backup menu. This is where you can manage your data and what gets backed up to your iCloud. If you see that iCloud backup is activated, you'll need to access the list of apps being backed up and make sure to remove the app you no longer want. If your iCloud backup is deactivated, you can skip this step and proceed with the next one. Now, another thing what you might mean by permanently deleting apps from iCloud is stopping them from being used by iCloud and stopping them from sharing the files. So if still within the iCloud settings, if you show all apps in here in the list, you can turn on and off the toggle next to most of them. So for example, when you go to the voice memos, it can be enabled, meaning that the synchronization is turned on. When you disable it, you essentially just delete the app from iCloud and you stop it from being shared across the devices in your network. So yeah, once you do that, and in case you want to get rid of the app altogether, you can come back to the home screen and find the app on your page or somewhere in the app library, hold down on it and delete it entirely. So you not only remove it from iCloud, but you also delete it from your phone altogether. And this is how you can stop having anything to do with that app. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, stay tuned by subscribing and also hit the thumbs up so you don't miss videos like this one in the future. Thanks a lot and see you guys later.